Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Viber not sending messages. So yeah, sometimes what happens, you send a message and it won't send to anybody because there might be an internal issue or anything. So how can we fix that? We're gonna learn it. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so just follow me guys and don't you worry about anything, because if there's any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you can do is just check your internet connection if it's working properly or not. Another thing, what you can do is just go to let's say just go to settings. Just go to settings of your phone, then go to apps, and then search for Viber. With it's loading. Just have some patience guys, because it might take some time sometimes. It's loading, and once the apps are here, just go all the way down and search for Viber. So it's over here, and then go to data use. Sorry, then go to storage. From here, what you have to do is, once its computing is over, or let's say completed, just press on clear cache, and then it will work. You can send messages again. So that's pretty much guys, that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.